Here's Yulianna with her 5 babies. Well, we just lost the only boy. She had 4 girls and 1 boy. And this is early in the morning. The dogs are crazy because they want to be let out. The first baby is a Wheaton girl, Ruth, red band. She is nursing. Little Ruth, little girl. We have 3 Wheaton girls and 1 is spoken for. They're gonna be tiny, teacup and toys, or toys and teacups. Sadly, the second puppy, Blue Band, was Ripley, and he passed away about 30 minutes ago. The first 24 hours are very critical. Again, they were born 5 September. Then number 3 would be Wheaton girl, Ramona. She's orange. Another beautiful little girl. She's very light Wheaton. They're gonna be more like a champagne color. Not your bright white, just champagne. This is Ramona. Nursing. Took her off her nipple. Then we have a black girl, yellow band. Her name is River, and I'm keeping her for sure. This is Juliana's last litter. This is a little girl that we are keeping. Her name is River. Solid black, not for sale. She is a keeper. And then we have another little girl, Raven Wheaton, white band. She's a biggie. I think she's the darkest one. That's little Raven. Don't know why we named her Raven. She is actually Wheaton. She shouldn't be named Raven, but it's okay. My girls have named them. Little Raven. She's the darkest. So we got a happy mommy. We lost. Oh, look at that baby. We lost 1 baby boy. There she is, just with a little baby. Oh. And here we are, sleeping all together. And the dogs are crazy. They want to go out.